Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I decided to purchase the Huawei Watch GT and I got it for around 200 bucks. You can actually get it cheaper, but I just didn't want to wait. There are actually two versions of this watch, a black one with silicone strap and this one which has a brown leather/silicone strap. Anyway, looking around the package, we can see the watch design on the package, but we don't have any specifications around the package except for the branding. Unboxing, pretty simple. The first thing you will see is the watch itself. From the first appearance, it's amazing and well packed. Anyway, let's dig in. We get a warranty card and a quick start guide. We get a USB Type-C cable. We also get a charging cradle. And that's about it. Let's look at the watch itself. To be honest, the design and build quality is amazing. It's very slim and weighs around 46 grams. Let's power it on and see the setup process. By the way, this is not a smartwatch, but more of a fitness watch. It's packed with a lot of sensors, including the heart rate sensor. Since I got the watch, I have received 4 updates so far. At least we know there's still hope for this watch. I have used it for a couple of days and I like it. It's comfortable to wear and feels premium built. The battery life is amazing too. With 3 days of usage, it still has 81% battery left. The watch has basic functionalities like heart rate monitoring, showing weather information and fitness info. The top button gives access to your menu and you can view your sleep info, notifications and so on. The bottom button gives you access to workout menu. The watch itself is not that customizable. You cannot add any watch faces except for the ones in the system. The downside about this watch is the memory, both internal and the RAM. Don't get me wrong, the 16 megabytes of RAM runs LightOS just fine. But with the 128 megabytes of ROM means you cannot store any music. Notifications can be viewed, but you cannot reply to any. Well, sincerely speaking, this might not be everyone's choice, but I have used it and I've liked it because of the awesome battery life and the amazing AMOLED display. Not only the colors are punchy, but with 454 by 454 pixels, the display produces really sharp text. Anyway, I have nothing except to like it, at least for now. For now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.